Given drawing details of a knuckle joint in that part number 3 pin. You can note down the dimensions. Also, you can find all the supporting files in the below description. Open solid edge, click on solid part, go to named views and set as ISO. Select protrusion, select front reference plane, take circle by center, and at this center draw a circle of diameter 38. Using smart dimension, fix the dimension as 38, click on return. So towards this direction, the protrusion distance of 10 mm. Press enter and click finish, cancel. Take protrusion, once again select the front reference plane, once again circle by center. So just provoke this center, just pass the cursor, don't click. So this is the center of the circle. So click here. Now draw the diameter 25 mm. Using smart dimension, you have to set the dimension. Click on return. On the other side, the protrusion distance will become 82 mm. So just click and finish, cancel. Now create a parallel plane to the end of this protrusion. For that, take parallel plane. You have to select this end face. So the end face, so the parallel distance is 11.5 mm. Press enter. So just click here. Let me set to isometric. So this is the new plane created, that is plane 4. So let me take a revolved cutout and select top reference plane. So I'll zoom this area. Let us see the taper calculation first. So the given taper 1:50, you can note down the dimension here. It is diameter 5. On the other side, we need to calculate the diameter. For that, let us draw the half section. So it is 5 divided by 2, it is 2.5. So the length, it is 25. On the other side, we don't know what is the dimension. So the taper is 1:50. So we have to cross multiply with the distance here. So we'll get 0.5. So this distance is nothing but 2.5 minus this factor. So the x will become 2 mm. Now take line command. So you need to draw line exactly starting from this point. Make sure that both lines are selected. You can see in the red color. So click here. Exactly, you need to end here. Just go here. So just draw the half section of that taper. Now take smart dimension, fix this length. It should be 25. Next, this one, it is calculated, that is 2 mm, and this one is 2.5 mm. Now select axis of revolution and set the axis of revolution by selecting this line. Now click on return. You can find this tool, revolved cutout, revolve 360. Just click here and click on finish. So the revolved cutout has been completed. So let me put it on top view, visible and hidden edges. So you can see here the taper section. ISO. Now click here, shaded with visible edges. You can hide all the reference plane. Just right click, hide, hide also the front. You can also hide this plane 4. Just fit. You can switch off this drop shadow. So this completes the pin. Let me set as ISO fit and add the material tools, material table, FE410W, apply to model, click here file, file properties, under summary you need to type as pin, select this, right click copy, click on OK, go to file, save, check the summary as pin, OK. Then this is the knuckle joint folder which we have previously saved for eye and fork. File name, it is selected, right click, paste as a pin and save the part. Hence we have completed the pin. Go to YouTube application through your smartphone, search for DEEMECH in the search bar. This is my channel logo. If you click there, you will find videos. These are the list of videos. If you click on any video, you will find the description box where you can find the supporting links of that video. If you like any video, you can hit on like or you can hit on dislike. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the subscribe button and also hit on the bell icon for the further notification of DEEMECH videos. If you scroll down, you will find the comment section where you can comment on the given video.